Happy Friday, everyone. Well, rain returns to the forecast today, and no, that's not an April Fool's joke. Don't worry, I won't be messing around with that today. Don't want to confuse you. Uh, let's get started. 8 a.m. this morning, showing scattered light rain and perhaps, yes, some snow showers. North Platte, Broken Bow, Mullen, on over to Scotts Bluff for Kearney, Grand Island, Omaha, Lincoln. Going to be a dry morning commute, and this isn't going to be heavy precipitation coming down either. I do want to make that clear. So, though it might have to use those windshield wipers a little bit for the morning commute, place like North Platte and on over to Scotts Bluff. Nothing that should slow you down. All right, we're going to go in 3-hour increments here and track this area of rain and snow as it moves across the state and kind of highlight when you have the best chance of seeing some precipitation. 11 a.m., notice that precipitation mainly stays in the same place. So during the morning hours, not a lot of movement. Still drying at 11 a.m. Kearney, Grand Island, Lincoln, Columbus, Omaha. And the chance for rain and some snow still hanging out in the western part of the state. As we go into the afternoon hours, 2 o'clock, the winds are going to be picking up everywhere. We're going to call it a breezy day in the eastern half of the state and windy in the western half of the state. Notice not as much blue showing up, not as much snow showing up at 2 o'clock because our temperatures will be warming. And so it's going to get harder and harder for any snow to be falling. The best chance of catching some snow is going to be this morning. And as we get warmer in the afternoon, it's become more and more difficult. Notice the rain chance starting to begin for Kearney and Grand Island. I will mention it for the early afternoon. Still dry, Lincoln and Omaha area though. Now we get to the homebound commute. And the rain chance will begin for Lincoln and Omaha, but it's not guaranteed you're going to see rain for the homebound commute. I do think you're going to be seeing rain Grand Island and Kearney. Again, it's not going to be super heavy rain. We're not talking about thunderstorms, but, anytime there's rain coming down, folks on the road, it could slow it down a little bit, but shouldn't be a slowdown in the Lincoln and Omaha area. And notice how the western part of the state has dried out for the homebound commute. Now, once the sun goes down, the winds will be dying down for the evening hours, but look what happens for Friday evening plans in the eastern part of the state. Western part of the state, maybe a leftover sprinkle, but more than likely, you're probably going to be dry. Different story, though, really from Grand Island to Omaha. 8 o'clock in the evening, a lot of dinner plans. If you're going to go out, carry the umbrella because it looks like the rain will be coming down, light to moderate rain across the area. Jump ahead to 11 o'clock, and we're still seeing the rain hanging out in the eastern part of the state. Jump ahead to 2 a.m., and I do think we're going to be seeing less and less of it. It's not going to be as widespread. There's going to be some leftover isolated showers. A lot of the state has dried out. Chance of rain over with, Kearney and Grand Island. And I do think that by the time we get to about 5 a.m. early tomorrow morning, all the rain will be clear of the state, and it'll set us up for a dry Saturday. So let's actually talk about Saturday and Sunday now, because I do think Saturday is going to be the nicer day no matter where you are in the state. Let's start with the Lincoln and Omaha area for Saturday and Sunday. High of 59 on Saturday, just partly cloudy skies, not going to be much wind, gusts only around 15 miles per hour. Do have to bring back a rain chance on Sunday, not as much as what we're going to be seeing this evening. But I do think some isolated showers are possible from the late morning through the afternoon. I think most of the day will be dry, but I do want to mention that chance for some isolated showers. It will warm a little, 62, and the winds are going to pick up. Gusts are going to be around 25 miles per hour. So because there's no rain chance on Saturday versus Sunday, I think Saturday the slightly better day with a little bit lighter winds as well. For Grand Island and Kearney, the rain chance is really small on Sunday. More than likely you're going to stay dry, but I will keep it in there. A very small chance that a few showers could work over you in the afternoon hours. I do think that the bigger story is going to be the difference in the winds for Grand Island and Kearney Saturday and Sunday. So Saturday, gusts only around 15 miles per hour. It's not even a breezy day. But Sunday, those gusts are going to get up to 35 miles per hour. It's going to be a little bit cooler. Temperatures, again, not too bad. 63 on Saturday, but mostly sunny skies. But because of that slight chance of rain on Sunday and those stronger winds, I'll give the edge to Saturday as a nicer outdoor day. Finally, let's finish up talking about Scotts Bluff. And check out Saturday, near 70 degrees. Now, it will be windy, gusts 30 miles per hour. Notice Sunday, no chance of rain in Scotts Bluff, but cooling down, high of only 56. And I tell you what, in the western part of the state, and particularly around Scotts Bluff, I think those gusts could get around 40 miles per hour in the afternoon Sunday, so a very windy day.